Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start the reverse search by preparing one clear image and opening Google Images or the Google app with Lens. Once open, click the camera icon and choose Upload Image. Drag the file or paste the image URL. Make sure to crop out irrelevant borders or screenshots so the algorithm focuses on the subject. This first action gives you the strongest chance of exact matches. Use the desktop upload for full-size files, or Lens in the mobile app when you only have the phone photo. Once done, examine the top results for exact matches, then check visually similar images and related pages to find origin details. Use filters like size, color, and time to prioritize likely sources. For older images, set a custom date range. If matches are noisy, crop tighter to the object and rerun the search, or rotate and try another frame. Small changes often expose different matches. Also inspect image thumbnails for watermarks, file names, or visible text. You finish by opening candidate pages and verifying timestamps, captions, and any photographer credits to confirm the original source. Make sure to compare image metadata when available and seek larger or higher resolution versions that reveal embedded clues. If results conflict, iterate. Try slight crops, a higher resolution file, or different angles to refine matches. If Google returns nothing useful, try a secondary engine like TinEye as a fallback. And if problems persist, clear cache or use a private window to avoid personalized search bias.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.